and there are no advertisements, there are no agents that have to be kept in the salary payroll, there are no expensive rent spaces that need to be rented out. Products have to be ordered online. So all those factors taken into consideration really explain why the products for the kind of quality that they're offering us are really at very, very reasonable levels. So, ang gusto ng ating CEO, bibilhin mo yung produkto kasi na-appreciate mo yung quality. At kaya mong bilhin uli kasi affordable pala talaga. Ayaw niya na kaya mo bibilhin kasi mura, only to realize na it is cheap for a reason, wala palang quality, kaya mura, kaya ayaw mo nang bilhin uli. So it has to be a combination of good quality at very reasonable prices. Our cutting-edge technology